Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I make my overnight rice water for hair growth. This is my first time trying this overnight rice water. So this is my rice. You can use any kind of rice, whether white rice or brown rice or whatever. You can use any of them to do your rice water. So now I'll wash it like 3 times just to make sure everything is clean before I use it. I will just pour water on it and mix it up with my hands to move the rice around to remove all the dirt from the factory. You can do it as many times as you want, just to remove the dirt and make it clean before you can use it. So this is my clean rice. So next I'll put the rice in a jar and add water to it. This is my rice water. So to kill the smell, I'll add orange peels so that it won't smell so bad, because the scent is really bad. People are really talking about it, like overnight rice water smells so bad. So to make it smell so good, you would rather add orange peels or any oil essentials to make it smell good. So I'm done with my rice water, so I will use for my wash day tomorrow. I will let it sit there for overnight. Some people recommend 3 to 4 hours, but the best for a good hair growth is overnight rice water. So yeah. So this is my overnight rice water. I will just transfer the water into a spraying bottle so that I can use it for my hair. So because it was kept overnight, the rice is so soft, like you can break the rice. This is my overnight rice water. I will just spray the water on my hair. So I'll use rubber and hair bonnet to cover it for 20 minutes before I wash it off and use my shampoo and my conditioner. So after 20 minutes, I will wash my rice water off and use my shampoo and my conditioner. So today I'll be using As I Am hair product. They are so amazing and it smells so good. This is the shampoo. So after my shampoo and my conditioner, I will apply my leave-in conditioner from the same product. Guys, I'm done with my overnight rice water routine and I'm hoping for a good result. So comment and let me know what you think about this overnight rice water. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe on your way out if you are new here. Share this video with your friends and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Killer of your own heart. If you treat me kinda, kept me close, but will we still part? Isn't easy with me.